Hey guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can pay in JLCPCB. So as you can see now we are in basically the finish of ordering an PCB. So yeah, now what we can do here, we can secure checkout. Okay, um, like so. Okay, secure checkout. We'll click on that, and now what we have here, we need to put in basically our data, and then we have shipping method and the payment method. So let me put in some information here. All right, so now we are in here in the payment method. So as you can see what we can put in, we can use PayPal, credit, debit card, Google Pay, payment by others. Also, yeah, here we can find the coupons. Coupons, if we want to lower a price a little bit, we can select that. But yeah, pretty much, as you can see, you can select from bunch of paying method. And yeah, when you do that, you just here on the right side, you will see this pay button, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can pay in JLC PCB. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next